Convenience is a crucial aspect of a brand's customer experience and a cornerstone of customer service for any company. Consider the expansion of e-commerce as an illustration. People may now shop online and on their phones and tablets while commuting, dining out, or simply passing time before a meeting, thanks to the internet and technological improvements. Previously, people could only shop on their computers at home. TopRank defines convenience in digital marketing as providing the appropriate information to the appropriate person at the appropriate time on the appropriate platform. In order to improve the entire experience, this entails improving the customer journey to make it simpler for potential customers to find the information they require to make a purchase choice. Convenience is not only a key competitive distinction, but it also offers digital marketers a creative lens through which to enhance their efforts. If properly implemented, it will assist you in lowering obstacles, enhancing client relations, reducing stress, expanding accessibility, and clarifying the value proposition of your company. To get the most out of it, make sure. A quick and simple way to access your stuff. Simple recollection of earlier brand interactions and communications. A straightforward expression of gratitude for their business. Service and communication customization.